Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I am going to do a quick tutorial for YouTube thumbnails. This video is a request. So I'm not going to do like take you through the whole walkthrough of registering for an account or doing any of that. It's pretty generic. And this is for Canva, canva.com. And it shows you it's a really good platform for creating not only YouTube thumbnails but also banners and promotional graphics for Facebook or any of your social media. So what I'm going to be doing in this video, like I said, is just for thumbnails. I'm going to do it really quick, easy, simple. So once I get into the platform, these are the templates. So we'll do all designs, and these are thumbnails that I've already created or graphics for Facebook or social media or something. So let's go in here. I want to go to the templates. I'm going to just click on templates. And I'm going to type YouTube thumbnail, which is right here. It should automatically come up. So these are all the thumbnails. These are templates, meaning that they're already made, they're pre-made where you can just select one and you can use it. Now, anyone that you see with the little crown, that's for pro. If you pay for the program, you could use that, but I don't pay for it. I just use the free Canva. A lot of good features, a lot of free features. I mean, you could do a lot with just the free elements that they allow you to use. So these are the templates. And if you go to the far left over here by filter, you got theme, you got style, and then you have price. So if you click on free, that will take you to, it should take you to thumbnails that are free for you to use. So this one, you might have to pay for it, but you'll see free, free, free. A lot of these are free. You can also create a thumbnail from scratch, just a blank YouTube thumbnail. And let's do that one first. So we'll click on that. It takes us to a blank canvas. We just have a blank page right here. So let's say I just want a picture with some words. So I have pictures over here. I'm going to click on photos, actually uploads, because I already have pictures uploaded. And just to simplify it, I'm going to just click on this picture. Like I'm going to use this one for a thumbnail. So I'm going to go left to right just to resize it. And then I'm going to go right to left. So then I'm going to grab the picture, move it to the far upper right corner, and then you'll see the little balls on each end. I'm going to grab the ball and stretch it halfway across, and that gives me basically half of the canvas. So that's good. So then I just want to remember it's a thumbnail. So then I'm going to say, let's use this font. It's already formatted. So we'll just do, and I'll say something like maybe boho inspired, and then the word stylish. And then right here, I'm going to type in jewelry by BDK.com. Right. So then, okay, that's cool. I like that. And I think I'll just use it, all black. And then I want to add some more text up here at the top. And it'll basically just say do it yourself stack bracelets. And then it'll go into boho inspired style. So we'll just arrange it like so. And because when I look to the right over here, I see colors that are really pronounced and stick out to me. That would be the fuchsia, the yellow, and the turquoise. So I might just go ahead and do one. And up here with the big A where it says text color is how you change the color. So let's select that color, which is like an aqua, which matches that bead. And then we'll select the word inspire, and we'll select the fuchsia. And how about stylish for the yellow or the goldish? And let's do this color because it looks like it would match a little bit better. And then that's how we'll do that. Okay, so, and then it's just that simple. So I want to go in the upper right corner where it says download, click on the down arrow, and you always want to select PNG because you want the high quality image. JPEG is for smaller files. It's not as clear and as pretty as the PNG. You don't want the PDF, nor do you want MP4 video, not unless you're actually making a video and you don't want it to be a gift. So PNG, I'm going to go ahead and download. I know it's downloading by here, the far right. And then whenever this little box pops up, design downloaded, you know it's been downloaded. So we can click the X out and your image is right here. Just as pretty as peach. So I don't have a video to upload. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go over to my Facebook page and let's say I want to upload the picture. So I'm going to drag it and drop it and just say something like boho inspired stack bracelets. And this is just to show you how pretty the picture is, and this is what it will look like once you upload it as your thumbnail. And that is basically your image. You can use a lot of those. What I just did for the thumbnail, you can actually use as promo pictures for your Facebook page. And you can see simple, easy, 1, 2, 3. And let's get back over here. Okay, so that's easy. And we created this one from a blank canvas. So let's say we want to create a thumbnail from one of the already made templates, and we can do that. Let's take this one. It's free, so let's use this one. We click on it, and we want to customize it. So let's customize it, and then once we open it up, we really don't want this picture. We want to take this picture out, so you want to click on it, hit delete, and then you want to go to your uploads and grab the picture that you want to use in that area. So let's say I want to use this one. I click on it. So then you have to grab it and then drop it there. And you see how it just fills in that element. So I don't want these elements on top of the picture. So what I'll do is just kind of move the elements out of the way over here. And I like the colors. So we can do that. And then how about I put Darlene name, and then let's say just stack bracelets, and then we'll put right here something like learn how to make stack charm bracelets. And we can always stretch it out by grabbing there and then stretching it out. We can always move this up higher by grabbing it and just moving it. So clicking on it and just dragging it up. So that'll be like that. You could always change the color. You have to double click inside, and the color is here with the large A. You click on it and it opens up your color palette. So let's say we want to let's just do it in black. Okay, we'll just do it like that. And let's say if you wanted to center all the text, you use this little alignment right here. So you can click, that'll center. Click, it'll align to the right. Click again, it aligns it to the left. And then, well, that justifies it. And then we clicked again, and then it took it back to left alignment. Okay, so we did that. And simple and easy. So this would be your thumbnail created from a template that was already made. So you basically deleted out their picture, added in your picture, took out their text, and just added in your text. Very simple, easy. And then we want to download it. The down arrow, we want we want to select PNG because we want the high quality image. Then we're going to download it, and it's downloading by here, this little small box in the far right. Now it's completely downloaded, design downloaded, and you get the bigger box, X out, and click over here just to look at it and make sure there's no misspelled words. It looks like what you want it to look like. So if I go back to my Facebook page, drag and drop it, post it, and you can see it's an image. So you could use these images on your social media. That'd be your on your Instagram. It can be on your Facebook. It can be you can create videos using TikTok. Just a little bit of everything. And even if you didn't want to use video, you can actually do a slideshow. On here, there's templates for slideshows. So you would only have to type slide show videos, and that's like right here. So if you wanted to just create a slideshow, you're welcome to do that. You can see here's a video or a template you can use, or you can create your own. But there's enough in here to where, let's click on free. And I'm sure there is enough of them in here. And even if not, here's a free one. And even if not, there's a free one. And remember, all you're doing is changing the pictures inside and the text, or you could just create your own. Just as simple as that. Alrighty, just wanted to come and show that real quick. I got an email asking how did I create my thumbnails for my YouTube channel, and this is how I do it. So if you have any other questions, if there's anything else you are trying to learn to make your YouTube page look more or channel look more professional, go ahead and send me an email, or you can go ahead and comment it. No biggie. Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. Thanks for stopping by, and we shall talk soon.